Alright, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to a new day here in Guayaquil. So Guayaquil has a population of around 3 million people. It is a port city here on the southwest side of Ecuador. Guayaquil is also known to be a little bit dangerous. The locals have told me that, you gotta be careful when you come to Guayaquil because, you can get robbed, get assaulted, or you can get kidnapped. Hearing all of those comments, I just really wanted to come to Guayaquil and get to know the city for myself. So guys, without further ado, let's get going. And this is a day in Guayaquil. Also, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there are no lines to divide the road. So everyone just drives everywhere right here.
We don't use the signals.
Yeah. Alright guys, so you can all see the flags up there. What is the flag for?
On the 24, 25, and 26 is the independence of Guayaquil.
They're not the same as Ecuador independence.
No. That's another month.
Okay.
That's downtown.
Yeah, downtown right there.
That's Wall Street. That's Malecon over there. That's Rio Babahoyo and Rio Daule. So they call Rio Guayas.
Rio Guayas.
Guayas River.
Oh yeah, there's a port over there too.
Let's see. Well, that's where all the shipping, commercial shipping, they come from all over there.
They have also cable cars that connects from here to another city over there called Duran, and it comes back here and then goes another way there. Yeah, and also the Malecon starts from like over there, and it goes all the way right there. So there's a lot of places to see and visit here in Guayaquil. There's like the financial district, which is down there. You can take the cable car as well. I've also learned there's 2 football teams in Guayaquil. There's one stadium over there and another one behind that mountain over there. And they're kind of like rivals. Yeah guys, I didn't know that Guayaquil has a financial district. So this is like the financial district, Wall Street, if you want to call that, road, and it has a lot of banks here. We're not going to get off here, but we're just going to drive through. And you can see like armored vehicles here. They're there. And all over this area there are banks. Huge banks, these huge towers of banks as well. Yeah. And it goes straight over there too.
It's the main street.
Yeah, the main street. It's the main street. It is like rush hour, so people are just leaving work and there's just a lot of people everywhere.
The beginning of the rush hour. You're gonna see it later.
Oh really? Alright guys, so this is the area here. It's called the Iguana Park. There are a lot of iguanas here, and it's really close to the financial district over there. And I'm just gonna walk you guys through this place. It's called Parque Seminario. He's just giving out celery too.
Huh? Okay. You want?
Sí, un poco. Gracias.
Right, no problem. You
Gotta
put your hand down and they come to you.
Really?
See.
Get close.
No takers. They want the banana first.
No le tire para que no se le vaya.
Right guys, the banana. No.
Hazle que se te trepe. So, he's going up, he's going, lift it up. He will climb.
So that was awesome. This place is called the Iguana Park. So next to the Iguana Park, there's iguanas everywhere, guys. Right there, in the middle, over there as well. Iguanas. Guys, come over here. There are turtles. There's like a pond here with turtles and also like fish. I'm not sure like what type of fish, but you can see all in there. You see also the turtles right there. Wow. You guys can see the iguanas are everywhere. Look at this. Even the iguanas are down there. All over this park here. Hola. So this is the Cathedral de Guayaquil. So this cathedral is called Cathedral de Guayaquil. It was constructed here in the early 1900s and finished around like 1937. So it's very beautiful. You can see these stones here that make up the columns. You can also see the stained glass up there as well. In order to enter this cathedral, you know, they open at different hours from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and there are no entrance fees, so that's awesome. You know, you guys can come here. It's right in the middle of the city. It's close to the Iguana Park, and you guys can just come and see this place. It is painted white and also yellow. This might be one of the most beautiful cathedrals I've seen in terms of stained glass. There are so many stained glass all over this place. There, and on top too. All over that place. You know, one thing I did want to just mention is that, you know, people say that Guayaquil is pretty dangerous. However, just walking here by myself, it doesn't seem as dangerous, but also it's during the day. And when you're here, you see a lot of cops here as well. The weather is very nice. Hola! It's not too hot, but yeah, this seems to be like the more developed area here in Guayaquil. A lot of banks, a lot of hotels here as well. So this part is called La Bahia.
La Bahia.
And it's the black market.
Yeah.
Wow, it's all over here.
It's cheaper.
Yeah.
Cheaper than the stores.
Yeah, it goes over there too.
Commercial, popular
Oh
commercial.
wow, yeah, there's a lot, it goes all the way
It's
inside.
long over there.
Wow.
Too. Like 10 blocks.
Wow. Wow, it's big.
Yeah.
Here too.
Yeah. See over there?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Huayna?
Yeah, yeah. Huayna Capa.
Huayna Capa. Alright guys, so another place I wanted to take you guys is the Malecon. So the Malecon is like the stretch here all around the river. So we're gonna walk along the Malecon. This river is called Rio Guayas. There's two rivers and it connects to each other. And you know, look at the river right there. It's a little bit murky. It has some like, I don't know, plants or trees in the river as well. And this river is actually a big location for boats to come in for imports and exports, and also a lot of trade going on in this city here. Yeah, I didn't bring my drone, so I can't really show you guys, but all I can do right now is just explain to you guys. There are some islands here, and there's a cable car that connects to another like city, and there are two rivers that connect to each other, going out to the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, as you guys can see here on the Malecon here, there's places where you guys can sit. There's a lot of tables, so you guys can sit and eat food here. And there are a lot of restaurants here. A lot of these restaurants are like Chinese, so that a lot of these people are saying like ni hao. Yeah. Oh no, gracias. Okay. There's also KFC here too. I thought this was a statue over here. Hold on. I thought. I thought I was walking and I thought he was a statue, so I went closer and he was like this. I was like, oh shoot, that scared me to death. Gracias. Give me a tip here. Gracias. Alright, so guys, walking up here, it's a better view of the entire Malecon. So I hope I can show you guys right here. It goes all the way over there, all around to over there. And there are cable cars here, over there. That cable car goes from Guayaquil City to another place called Duran. It's a rich place where you can just walk. It's very safe, and you can walk there. It's like a walking street slash a lot of bars, restaurants. A lot of people go there at night. There's also a place here right in the middle of the Malecon. It's like a food market. There's so many stalls of food here, you know, coming from like seafood and pasta, going to like Ecuadorian food right here, and ceviche. There's also ceviche here. It is packed with people here, and you have like tables that you guys can sit down. You can either sit outside or inside. There's also sushi here. Sushi. On the Malecon, there is like this pond, and there's a lot of kids here. There's like a playground right there. And also in front of me, there's like air balloon or something where like kids can go inside of the ball and then just like swirl around, and then this guy just pulls them over. He's inside there. Kids just lining up for this. That is awesome. Wow, there's a lot of families here.
Te dibujo a ti
Sí.
y te firmo.
¿Y cuánto cuesta?
Cuesta 15.
$15.
Sí,
Ah,
please.
¿Cuánto una pintura?
10 minutos. 10.
10 minutos?
15 minutos, sí.
Start through.
Ya, no problem.
Oh, wow, look at this. He's drawing. Wow. And also through mano. He also like he lost his finger too, guys. Wow. And he's like drawing my picture.
Ah.
¿Y qué pasó?
Yo me iba para la marina,
Sí.
en Los Silvia, me festejé, chao, chao, compañero, me voy. Y me emborraché y llegué a la máquina de carpintería de mi papá. Estaba trabajando, se me fue la mano y me volé los dedos.
¿A qué año?
Yo tenía 18 años.
18, wow.
Sí, yo ya estaba para meterme a la marina.
Ah, lo siento.
Y ahí no, pues sí, no pude meter, pero igual. Mírate.
Wow.
Ya, falta.
Wow. Y mejor. Gracias. So there's like this boardwalk here too, guys. And also, yeah, there's like bridge. Look at this. And also over there, there's like a ship. There's a competition for a viral dance music. They dance to this music on TikTok, and then they post it, and then there are like 5 judges over there determining who's the winner of that dance challenge. But we are also here in the middle of the Malecon. There are monuments and statues. I believe these monuments and statues is for Simón Bolívar. They're the leaders who helped with the independence of this city and also Ecuador as well. It is getting a little bit darker and it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna head out and we are gonna go take the cable car next, if we have time. If the cable car is not functioning, then we'll just call it a day. So this is the Malecon here in Guayaquil, guys. Alright guys, so before I can even get my painting and also my driver here, it is pouring here. Look at this. Wow. So she was saying, like, I was talking to this girl and she was saying like in July it doesn't really rain. In Julio está verano? Ah, pero no hay mucha lluvia.
No hay lluvia, no
Sí,
llueve, no debe de
pero
llover.
El Niño.
Pero por el niño.
Ah. Because there's a tropical storm called El Nino that's coming through and really making a lot of rain here. ¿Hay mucha tráfico?
A esa hora siempre, pero
Sí.
por la lluvia más.
Ah, sí.
Porque por aquí hacia el fondo hay un túnel.
Sí.
Donde
Oh, sí,
puedes salir pronto y evitar mucho tráfico.
Ah.
Pero de ahí hay tráfico también en Durán.
Sí,
Después
sí,
de
Durán.
la Unidad Nacional.
She was saying like there's a lot of traffic here because this is the fastest way to get out of the city. There's a tunnel over here. Alright guys, so it's raining so much that you know, it took us like 2 hours.
Yeah.
It took like 2 hours to get out of that traffic. Alright guys, so I'm just having a burger.
Yo creo que tú tienes guantes para
Here?
comer, ¿no?
It's raining, so I don't feel really comfortable going on the cable car if it's raining and stuff like that, so we'll probably head back after dinner. But yeah, this is a day in Guayaquil.